Bullish Star Atlas cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Atlas could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Star Atlas presentation. NFTs, the most current obsession with the web, are supposed to affect the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the web-based video gaming area's monetary potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by joining NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is preparing for the following influx of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the tremendous drain of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by melding blockchain systems with NFTs situated in game things and specific designs innovation. What is Star Atlas? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may combine efforts, coordinate, and battle their direction into neglected territory on account of this astounding creation. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation movement. It highlights in-game resources in light of the idea of non-fungible monetary forms, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their novel resources. Each component in Star Atlas is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain. Specifically, the Star Atlas games universe is huge, and players should go out on solitary, rough undertakings loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outsmart different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas interactivity. In the game, players can make huge urban communities and private companies or unite as one and make decentralized independent associations to govern over specific regions. Players gain virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, as opposed to most of concentrated gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game articles. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. The objective is to advance the adaptation of gaming time spent on Star Atlas to give a certified monetary profit to support. Specialized investigation, or TA for short, is the investigation of resources utilizing specialized markers to check the Star Atlas cost expectations and different elements. It is a strategy for inspecting the market using pointers, uncommonly made instruments. Financial backers and merchants can involve this way to deal with track down fair opportunities for exchanging or money management. Specialized examination is normally founded on verifiable data about a resource, like cost, volume, and so forth, which uncovers designs that can be utilized to conjecture what is probably going to occur. Specialized investigation is the examination of resources utilizing specialized markers. It is a method for examining the market, using pointers made particularly for the reason. Financial backers and brokers utilize this strategy to track down opportunities for ventures or exchange, contingent upon the circumstance. Specialized investigation is in some cases established on authentic information for a resource, like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovers designs that can be used to conjecture what is probably going to occur. Crucial examination is one issue that should be tackled prior to exchanging digital currency. The financial backer can get a sense from a principal investigation of what money control and speculative movement will mean for the digital currency, and how to continue. Specialized examination isn't so critical as this theme, which calls for more consideration, examination, and experience than formal tutoring. Star Atlas is as of now worth $0. Atlas has moved 1.12% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,278,224. Star Atlas is right now positioned 441 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $26,971,786 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Star Atlas to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Star Atlas cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform $0. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Atlas's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. Atlas might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Star Atlas effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2025. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2026, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Atlas has a most extreme value worth of 1 cent. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. On the off chance that Atlas figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to accumulate the help Atlas needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2028. While Atlas is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 1 cent and a yearly cost close above 2 cents in 2028. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Star Atlas will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 2 cents, averaging out at 2 cents. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome task. Tries our best to gauge future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Atlas cost in 2030 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. And present-day innovation is utilized in Star Atlas, a vivid crypto gaming experience with astounding visuals and imaginative ongoing interaction. The game not just requests to players who are as of now mindful of blockchain innovation and digital currencies, yet in addition has every one of the qualities that could prompt reception by a bigger gaming crowd. Besides, the game can advance the broad reception of digital currencies due to its creative in-game plan, shocking illustrations, and utilization of the Solana blockchain. It would be a productive venture, according to the greatest cost esteem, normal exchanging esteem, least cost esteem, normal exchanging value, Star Atlas cost expectation, current cost, and normal figure value, the digital money market, and Star Atlas estimate, among various variables. What is the Star Atlas cost today? Today, Star Atlas is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $26,971,786. Is Star Atlas a wise speculation?